Hey guys, it's my first video on here, and I know it may be really awkward, but that is the reason why I'm starting to do it, to get rid of my social awkwardness. Now, today I'm first gonna talk about mentality. So, from mentality, I actually thought about it a day or two prior to this. I had a guy in my school. He is the reason I'm making this video because his mentality was so cheap. I had to talk about it. I can't just keep it inside of me. I want the world to know how to have a mentality, unbreakable mentality. So, what he said was a guy said to him that he wants to become a really rich person, but he just laughed at him. It was a job he mentioned. He just laughed at him and mocked the job it was. There are people like this who only laugh at you, who only mock you for what you start, but never do the hard things themselves. They always mock the ones that rise. They always try to grab them by the feet and try to rise up by themselves. This is the worst kind of people you can become. So, to become a great person, you need to have a great mentality. And great mentality doesn't come from just sitting on the table, sitting on your bed, being lazy, avoiding work, avoiding the hard things, avoiding your fear. It doesn't come from that. It comes from doing the hard things, doing the things you fear, like I'm doing right now. I'm very awkward socially. I was an introvert for like 14 years of my life. I didn't talk to anyone. The people that talked to me, I just replied. I never tried to start a conversation. I never tried to initiate one. And I never tried to continue one too. So we're talking about mentality. So that was the example of bad mentality I gave you. Now the type of good mentality that you need to apply in your life is to not see people for how weak they are, but to see their strengths. Like, you can call me Alex because I'm not gonna give out my real name. I can't actually. I have a friend behind this camera. You can call him Dennis. Or you can call us anything you want. But my friend, everyone bullies him for being fat. But with my friendship of 3 years, I have never even thought about that 2 times. I just hear what the others say and I just think to myself that people judge him for the bad things he has, but never do they try to comprehend the positives that he has. They never try to see his strengths. They always try to look down upon him. They do this not just to him, but to everyone around them. Like the one I just mentioned. Like he just focused on how the ambition of the fellow was not achievable. But he didn't even think about how much strength he has or how much courage he has to say to get to that goal. And if he's even doing anything to go to that goal. So the thing with me is, the friend I just mentioned, I never saw through his strengths. His strengths were so overpowering over his appearance that I never looked past it. I couldn't look past it because it's just how my mentality is. I always see people for what they're best at. That is why I'm very competitive, and that is how you become competitive.